Hello, 7th standard students. Namaste. Today we will discuss about the lesson comparing quantities. Now what is ratio? Comparing two quantities by division is called ratio. So last year you have learned it is a ratio means comparing two quantities by division. Now the two quantities compared should be expressed in the same unit. How? Ratio of 2 meter to 75 centimeter. This is in meter, this is in centimeter. So convert meter into centimeter, then compare. So 2 meter can be written as 200 centimeter to 75 centimeter. Now the next point, the names or the units of the two quantities should not be used in the ratio. Whenever you write in a ratio form, the units are not written. So ratio of 5 liter to 10 liter is written as 5:10. Now the third point is the two quantities compared should be of the same kind. So rupees 20 and 5 apples cannot be compared. So one term is in the unit, the rupees, and the other term is in numbers. They cannot be compared. Now ratio is always expressed in its simplest form. That is 15:30. That is 15 by 30. 15 ones are 15 twos are. Means 1:2. Always it is written in the simplest form. And the order of the terms are in the ratio, they should be important. So first number, first, second number, second. The terms, the different numbers what we use, they are called as the terms. So ratio of 30 boys to 28 girls is 30:28. You can't interchange 28:30. When we convert into simplest form, it will be simplest form. It is a 2 के टेबल में आता है तो 2 14s are 28, 2 15s are 30. Understood? So these are the points to be remembered when you write in the ratio form. Now example 1. Find the ratio of 3 kilometer to 300 meter. So first what we have to do, 3 kilometer and 300 meter. The units are not the same. So convert the bigger unit to the smaller unit. That is kilometer to meter. So 3 kilometer can be written as 3000 meter to 300 meter. So it will be 3000 divided by 300. So 2 zeros cut, 3 ones are 3 tens are. So you got 10 by 1, that is 10:1. That is the ratio form. Okay. Now coming to example 2. Are the ratios 1:2 and 2:3 equivalent? So see whether these ratios are equal. Equivalent means equal. So first 1:2 can be written as 1 by 2. 2:3 can be written as 2 by 3. So you know this is the ratio form, this is the fractional form, isn't it? Now compare the fraction. You know in the earlier classes you have learnt how to compare the fraction. So first method is cross multiplication, second method is by taking the LCM. So cross multiplication, how it is to be done? So half and 2 by 3. Right. Cross multiplication, you have to multiply the numerator of the first with the denominator of the second fraction, and then the denominator of the first fraction with the numerator of the second fraction. Isn't it? So 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Now compare the answers. So 3 and 4. First write 3 and 4, and 3 is lesser than 4. That means the fraction, first fraction is what? 1 by 2. Second fraction is 2 by 3. So 1 by 2 is less than 2 by 3. Now 1 by 2 is the fractional form of which ratio? 1 is to 2 is lesser than 2 is to 3. So they are not equivalent. Equal sign आएगा तो ही equivalent, isn't it? So that is the method. Now coming to the LCM. So remember here you can't interchange. So first you can't write the 2 into 2. So first you have to write 1 into 3. Second you have to write 2 into 2. And first number first, second number second, like that. You have to follow the rules. Now coming to the second method, that is by LCM. So 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. So the denominator, which are the denominators 2 and 3. So take the LCM 2 and 3. So 2 ones are 2, 3 as it is because it is not divisible by 2. Now take 3, 1 as it is, 3 ones are 3 and LCM of 2 into 3 is 6. The easy method, there is a rule when both the numbers are prime numbers, just multiply. The product of the prime numbers will be their LCM. No need of doing this method. Otherwise, you have to do. If you are not confident, there are so many methods. Direct, how can you find and all. So, this is the method. Okay. Now coming to 1 by 2 can be written as the denominator 6. Convert equivalent fractions. Remember, isn't it? 2 how much are 6? 2 3s are 6. So multiply the numerator also by 3. So 1 3s are 3. Now 2 by 3 convert to denominator 6. So 3 how much are 6? 3 2s are 6. So multiply the numerator also by 2. 2 2s are 4. So you got 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. Denominators are same. Compare the numerators. 3 is lesser than 4. So that is why 3 by 6 is lesser than 4 by 6. Now 3 by 6. Which fraction? 1 by 2. Write first. 4 by 6. Which fraction? 2 by 3. Right. And put the lesser than sign. And now write the ratio form. So 1 is to 2 is less than 2 is to 3. They are not equivalent. Hope everyone understood. सबको समझ में आया? तो इधर 1 by 2 को डिनोमिनेटर 6 में कन्वर्ट करने का 2 हाउ मच जा 6 2 3 जा वही नंबर न्यूमरेटर में भी मल्टीप्लाई करो और लिखो 1 3 जा 3. अभी इधर 3 convert into the denominator 6. 3 2 जा 6. So न्यूमरेटर को भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करो 2 2 जा 4. और 3 by 6 पहले लिखो 4 by 6 लिखो साइन डालो. क्यों? कैसे डालने का? डिनोमिनेटर दोनों का सेम है इसके लिए कंपेयर द न्यूमरेटर्स. 3 is lesser than 4. That is why 3 by 6 is lesser than 4 by 6. Then write the main fraction. Then the ratio form. Okay. Now coming to example 3. Following is the performance of the cricket team in the matches it played. So last year and this year, what is the result? You will see. So wins last year 8, losses 2. This year wins it is 4 and losses 2. In which year was the record better and how can you say so? So for that, first you have to see last year the ratio between wins and losses. Wins is to losses is equal to wins is how much? 8 is to loss is 2. So 8 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. So it will be 4 is to 1. This year the ratio wins is to losses is equal to 4 is to 2. Now टू के टेबल में 2 2 जा 4 2 1 जा 2. So you got 4:1 and 2:1. Now convert into the fractional form. 4:1 can be written as 4/1. 2:1 can be written as 2/1. So now compare the fractions. 4/1 is greater than 2/1. So 4:1 is greater than 2:1. So 4:1 कौन सा साल का है? Last year. So the team performed better last year. Did you understand? So to find the performance, you have to see the ratio. दोनों का रेशियो देखो कौन सा ज्यादा है, वो that year the team performed better. Okay. Now coming to the example 3. A map is given with the scale of 2 centimeter is equal to 1000 kilometer. What is the actual distance between the two places in kilometers if the distance in the map is 2.5 centimeter? मतलब एक मैप में आप लोगों को मालूम है, SST में आप लोग पढ़े हैं, है ना? तो स्केल 2 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 किलोमीटर ऐसे दिया है. सो मैप में 2.5 सेंटीमीटर है, तो एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस कितना रहेगा? तो इसके लिए एक टेबल बनाओ, द डिस्टेंस ऑन द मैप और एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस. सो मैप में 2 सेंटीमीटर रहता है, तभी एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस कितना है? 1000 किलोमीटर. तो 2.5 सेंटीमीटर रहेगा, तो कितना? तो कितना आपको मालूम नहीं है, इसके लिए उसको x लिखो. अभी हमें रेशियो फाइंड आउट करने का. रेशियो ऑफ द डिस्टेंस ऑन मैप इज इक्वल टू द रेशियो ऑफ एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस. ये भी आप लोग स्केल इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द रेशियो आप लोग पढ़े हैं SST में, ठीक है? सो डिस्टेंस टू द डिस्टेंस ऑन द मैप, actual distance and a distance on the map, the ratio should be same. So on the distance on the map, how much it is? 2:2.5. इधर distance, actual distance कितना है? 100:x. x that is the second का है ना, 2.5 के लिए कौन सा? So अभी ये दोनों को फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में लिखो. 2/2.5 is equal to 100/x. Now x को कैसे फाइंड आउट करने का? 2 into x is equal to 2.5 into 1000. ठीक है? 2 into x is equal to 2.5 into 1000. अभी x is equal to राइट साइड में क्या आएगा? 2.5 into 1000 और 2 आएगा डिनोमिनेटर में. 2 1 जा 2 500 जा 1000. अभी मल्टीप्लाई करो. 2 0 5 5 जा 25, 2 इन हैंड, 5 2 जा 10 11 12. आप लोगों को 12500 मिला, लेकिन इधर 1 डेसिमल है, तो 1 डेसिमल राइट साइड से 1 डिजिट छोड़ के डेसिमल डालो और 0 वो निकल जाएगा. सो कितना मिला? 1250. सो x इज इक्वल टू 1250. 1250 अभी क्या है? इफ द डिस्टेंस इन द मैप इज 2.5 सेंटीमीटर, द एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस विल बी 1250 kilometer. So you have to write with the unit. Clear? अभी ये मेथड एक्चुअली रेशियो के हिसाब से है. अगर ये मेथड आप लोगों को ठीक नहीं लगता है, थोड़ा हायर लेवल में जाता है, तो यू कैन यूज द यूनिटरी मेथड. सो 2 सेंटीमीटर मीन्स 1000 किलोमीटर. तो फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट 1 सेंटीमीटर मीन्स हाउ मच. सो यूनिटरी मेथड में जो नंबर दिया गया है उसका 1 में पूछने का, उसके लिए डिवाइड करेंगे, फिर जो नंबर दूसरा नंबर दिया है उससे मल्टीप्लाई. So first division, then multiplication. That is the rule of a unitary method. In 6th standard you have learnt. So 2 centimeter means 1000 kilometer. 1 centimeter is equal to how much? 1000 by 2 kilometer. इधर कटिंग करके 500 लिख सकते हैं, नहीं तो आगे कैलकुलेशन में जाएगा. Therefore 2.5 centimeter means this 1000 by 2 into जो नंबर अभी दिया है 2.5. सो 2 1s are 2 500s are. अभी 2.5 into 500 इधर किए हैं वही कैलकुलेशन. सो आपको मिला 1250. सो एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस विल बी 1250 किलोमीटर. इज इट क्लियर? सो आप लोग यही मेथड से ये साल यही मेथड से करेंगे. ये है बट हायर क्लास में ये मेथड से आप लोग करते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? ओके देन कमिंग टू द एग्जाम्पल 5. द कार दैट आई ओन कैन गो 150 kilometer with the 25 liters of petrol. How far can it go with 30 liters of petrol? तो 25 लीटर से 150 किलोमीटर, 30 लीटर से कितना? So by using unitary method, first what will you write? Distance covered in 25 liters of petrol. कितना? 150 kilometer. Now you write distance covered in 1 liter of petrol. Unitary method में वैसे ही है ना. First step is you have to find for 1. So that is division. 150 divided by 25 kilometer. लिखो. Now distance covered in क्वेश्चन क्या है? 30 लीटर. सो क्या करने का है? जो सेकेंड स्टेप में इधर जो मिला है that is 150 by 25 into 30. Now cancel. It is 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 zeros are. So you got 30 and 6. 30 6 are 6 zeros are 0, 6 3s are 18. That is 180 kilometer. So the car can cover 180 kilometer in 30 liters of petrol. Is it clear? Now coming to example 6. 6 bowls cost rupees 90. What would be the cost of 10 such bowls? Again, unitary method. Cost of 6 bowls is how much? Rupees 90. The cost of 1 bowl first. Rupees 90 divided by 6. Okay. Therefore, cost of 10 bowls is equal to 90 by 6 into 10. So, 6 ones are 6 ones are 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 remains. 3 and 0, 30. 6 5s are 30. So 15 tens are 150. Therefore, the cost of 10 bowls is rupees 150. Is it clear? So unitary method, did you understand? You have done in 6th standard. So it is a revision for you. Hope everyone understood all the examples. Okay then, bye. Thank you.